In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to connect your PayPal into QuickBooks. So let's get started. First of all, is that you would need an app to connect your PayPal into your QuickBooks account. So to do that, you just simply want to navigate here on the left menu and go here into Apps, and then go into Find Apps. And in here, just simply need to search for PayPal. And then you would be able to see apps right here that would let you connect or sync your PayPal account. So as you can see right here, there are a bunch of apps. And what I'm going to do is just go for this one because this has a lot of reviews already. Click on that. So it's Sender. Click on Get App Now. And then just simply install this into your QuickBooks. So let it load and then click here on Authorize. And after that, it should now prompt you in here. So click here on Connect. And from here, you just need to answer these startup questions. So I'm just going to answer this. And now once you successfully answer those, you will now be prompted in here. So now you can now select your integrations. And as for this one, we would want PayPal. So we're going to click here on PayPal and click on Next Step. And then now you can go for a summary, like post a summary entry once in a preferred period and so on, or you could go for the per transaction choice, depending on what you'd want. But in my case, I'll just go for a summary and click on Next Step. And now from here, you can now click here on Connect and use your credentials to finish the connection. So at this point is that you would need to log in to your PayPal account, and then you would now need to authorize the connection, and it will now be integrated into your QuickBooks account. So yeah, just log in and authorize it with your PayPal account, and you have now successfully connected PayPal on your QuickBooks by the power of app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.